Semangat pagi dan selamat datang di channel Pejuang Skripsi. Silakan like, subscribe, and share supaya lebih banyak yang merasakan manfaat dari postingan ini. Kunjungi aminlimpo.com sebagai situs resminya. Baik, pada kesempatan kali ini kita akan membahas kumpulan judul skripsi bahasa Inggris untuk reading part kelima. Seperti biasa, saya selalu menampilkan 51 judul. Berikut saya tampilkan ke 51 judul tersebut. Yang pertama, enhancing student reading comprehension of narrative text through question answer and relationship atau QAR strategy and cell efficiency. 2. Worksheet analysis of reading materials for the third year student of junior high school. 3. Analysis study on the use of printed media in teaching reading at the senior high school. 4. An analysis on application of contextual teaching and learning atau CTL in reading comprehension at senior high school. 5. Analysis of the difficulties faced by the teacher in teaching reading comprehension. 6. Genre analysis on reading passage of English textbook English in Focus based on the school-based curriculum. Berikutnya yang ketujuh, higher order thinking skill in reading exercise, analysis of reading exercise in pathways to English textbook for the 11th grade of senior high school students. 8. Needs analysis of English reading material for the 10th grade of senior high school. 9. The need analysis of English reading materials at Islamic boarding school. Berikutnya judul yang ke-10, the readability level of reading text in pathway to English 2, a descriptive analysis on the textbook for the 11th grade student of senior high school. 11. The influence of students' motivation in reading and their achievement in reading comprehension. 12. Some difficulties in learning reading based on the competencies-based curriculum. 13. The effectiveness of pre-reading activities, questioning, and viewing pictures in student comprehension in reading recount text. 14. The influence of using to-stay and to-stray in learning reading comprehension of recount text. 15. The portrayal of student achievement in comprehending reading text on national examination test. Berikutnya, judul yang ke-16, the influence of collaborative strategic reading atau CSR technique on student achievement in reading comprehension of narrative text. 17. The effectiveness of using search technique to improve the student reading comprehension on recount text. 18. Teaching reading skills through paraphrasing and summarizing at the 2nd grade of senior high school. 19. The influence of multiple choice and essay tests on students' reading comprehension view from student English achievement level. 20. Improvement reading comprehension through short story as a supplement material to the formal textbook. 21. The effectiveness of using English Teens magazine towards student reading. 22. The effectiveness of using authentic materials towards student reading comprehension of short functional text. 22. The effectiveness of cooperative integrated reading and composition atau series technique on student reading comprehension in descriptive text. 24. The effectiveness of guided question technique to improve the student reading comprehension on narrative text. Berikutnya, judul yang ke-25, the effect of directed reading thinking activity and reading interest on students' reading comprehension of narrative text. 26. The effect of video games towards student reading comprehension of narrative text. 27. Teaching reading comprehension based on contextual teaching and learning at the 2nd year student of junior high school. 28. Competencies-based curriculum atau CBC application in teaching reading to the 2nd year student of junior high school. 29. The effectiveness of hamburger strategy on student reading comprehension on recount text. 30. The effectiveness of scanning technique on student reading of recount text. 31. The effectiveness of picture series in teaching student reading comprehension of narrative text. 32. Fostering student reading comprehension of narrative text through group word technique. 33. The effectiveness of using manga stories in teaching reading of narrative text. Berikutnya, judul yang ke-34, Implementation of Concept Mapping on Reflective or Impulsive Student Reading Skill. 35. The effectiveness of using movie marker media in teaching short functional text to develop reading comprehension at the second grade student of senior high school. 36. Students' understanding of vocabulary in reading at the 7th grade student of junior high school. Berikutnya judul yang ke-37, The Effectiveness of Using Teaching Proficiency Through Reading and Storytelling atau TPRS in the Teaching of Vocabulary Mastery at the 7th grade student of junior high school. 38. A comparative study of the application between body language game and time warp game to a student reading skill at the second semester of English education program. 39. A correlation study between student interest in reading and their reading comprehension ability on narrative text of the 11th grade student of senior high school. 40. Study of directed reading thinking activity in teaching reading spoof text at the 2nd grade student of senior high school. 41. Analysis of reading text item in senior high school based off Revisus Bloom taxonomy theory. 42. Teaching reading by using syllabary to elementary school. Berikutnya yang ke-43, the correlation between student reading speed and their understanding of a short passage in reading comprehension of the second year student of junior high school. 44. The correlation between student grammar mastery and their reading ability at the 8th grade student of junior high school. 45. The effect of student perception on the teacher top-down strategy in teaching reading at the 7th grade student of junior high school. Berikutnya, 46. The effectiveness of scanning technique to improve student reading ability at the 7th grade student of junior high school. 47. The effectiveness of team games tournament atau TGT to improve student reading skill in report text in the 2nd grade student of senior high school. 48. The effectiveness of two-stay and two-stray teaching method to improve reading comprehension at the 8th grade student of junior high school. 49. The effectiveness of using bus group technique to improve student reading comprehension of the 9th grade student of junior high school. 50. The effectiveness of using comparative integrated reading and composition method in teaching narrative text to improve the student reading comprehension of the 10th grade student of senior high school. 51. The effectiveness of using cooperative script to improve reading comprehension ability at the 8th grade student of junior high school. Terima kasih telah menyaksikan kumpulan judul skripsi bahasa Inggris untuk reading part kelima di channel Pejuang Skripsi. Silakan like, subscribe, dan share supaya lebih banyak yang merasakan manfaat dari postingan ini. Untuk materi dalam bentuk tertulis silakan kunjungi aminlimpo.com sebagai situs resminya. Terima kasih.